Today we're checking out another new tablet from Walmart. This one is the On 11-inch Tablet Pro 2023 model. And just like what Amazon is doing with their Fire Max 11, this one's made of aluminum instead of plastic. Comes in 3 different colors: rose gold, gold, and the one shown here is silver. Surprisingly, this one's only $159. I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. It comes with 128 gigabytes of storage, Android 13. It's got an 11-inch LCD display, 1200 by 2000 resolution, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. You can also use a micro SD card on here to expand the storage. They're advertising up to 16 hours of battery life. Comes with Google Kids Space and Entertainment Space, and it's got dual band Wi-Fi. Inside the box, you've got a quick start guide, product guide, SD card removal tool. Surprisingly, it does come with a wall adapter. Also comes with a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Okay, definitely feels a little more premium than what you normally would see from the Walmart brand tablets. Pretty similar design to the Galaxy Tab A8, especially with the round camera up in the corner. You can see you've got one speaker on each side, headphone jack and charging port there on the bottom or right hand side, depending on how you hold the tablet. As you can see, fairly thin bezels all the way around, and then the front facing camera is right there on the long edge. When setting up, you've got the option of gesture navigation or 3-button navigation. For me, I still prefer 3-button navigation, especially on tablets. It's just a little bit faster in my opinion. As you can see, it's pretty much stock Android on here. Everything from how the lock screen looks to the home screen. If you're wondering, you'll notice there's a few different wallpapers here you can choose from. You can also do dark theme or themed icons here as well. Pretty interesting to see the size on this tablet, almost identical to the Fire Max 11. So yeah, we'll definitely have to do a comparison between these two. Now keep in mind, you can only watch up to SD playback resolution for apps like Netflix, since this is Widevine L3, but you can watch YouTube videos up to 1440p. When you swipe up on the home screen, you're gonna see it's just mainly Google apps, and then of course they added the Walmart app. Left of the home screen, you've got the Google Entertainment Space, where you have stuff to watch, games to play, books to read, and stuff to listen to. You also have the taskbar down here at the bottom to quickly switch between apps, or just tap the little icon to go to all of your installed apps. You can see the notification shade with your shortcuts over here on the left. You've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Do Not Disturb, Auto Rotate, Battery Saver, Airplane Mode, Auto Brightness, Night Light, Scan QR Code, Alarm, Screen Record, Mic and Camera Access, Screencast, and you can add quite a few other things here like Dark Theme, Extra Dim, Focus Mode, Nearby Share, and several others. You've also got your power, settings, and account profile. This tablet comes with a MediaTek 8781 processor, and it's got 4 gigabytes of RAM. Now this isn't going to be the best performance out there or anything, obviously because of the price, but you can see here in the Geekbench scores, 731 for single core, 1824 for multi-core score, and then 1224 for compute score. Just testing this out, playing some games, you've got HD graphics, high frame rates on PUBG Mobile, and yeah, it actually played a lot better than I was expecting on PUBG Mobile and Asphalt 9. Sure, it's not going to be the best graphics out there, but overall played fairly smooth. I didn't have any problems or overheating in my testing. Definitely nice to see that on a budget tablet like this. So I think most people will enjoy gaming on here, obviously depending on what games you play, but still decent gaming performance on a budget tablet like this. Definitely better than I was expecting. I also ran a battery drain test and it lasted about 7.5 hours, so a little above average compared to other tablets I've tested. Plenty of juice to get you through a day with normal usage, maybe a couple days with light use, especially if you turn the screen brightness down. Keep in mind though, my testing is with the screen at 100% brightness and more of an extreme usage, so you can easily get about double the battery life with just normal use. Now you'll notice a speaker on each side of the tablet. Definitely not going to be the loudest that I've heard when compared to other tablets I've tested, but still not bad, especially considering the price. Here's a quick sample just to give you an idea of what they sound like. You've got a 5 megapixel front facing camera, 8 megapixel rear facing. Probably one of the simplest camera apps on here. You've just got picture and video. It can shoot up to 2560 by 1440 resolution for video recording. Here's a few samples of photos and video just to give you an idea of what to expect. As you can tell by the video and photo quality, not going to be the best out there, but still not bad, and you could probably get away with using this for Zoom meetings, other video conference calls. Wouldn't be my first choice, but yes, you probably could use this for that. To me, this new 11-inch Pro tablet by Walmart, it's definitely one of the better ones that I've tested from them. Seems like it's got a little better screen quality, performance, and just overall polish in my opinion. If you're thinking about getting an on tablet, you'll probably want to go with this version. I'll be comparing this against the Fire Max 11 along with some other tablet comparisons, so you'll definitely want to look out for those upcoming videos. So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.